Hello, this is question 2 on your OCR June 2022 AS paper 1, the pure and statistics. So you have cubic polynomial, so this cubic here, where a is a constant, and you are given that x minus 2 is a factor of the function. So find the value of a. So if you remember, the factor theorem says that if x minus 2 is a factor of a polynomial, f of 2 is going to be 0. So that's what we are going to do. We are going to find f2, which will be in terms of a, and we are going to make that equal to 0. So we have 5 times 2 cubed is 40, or I can just write. So for you working out, it's okay if you write 5 times 2 cubed, you substitute, right? Minus 4 times 2 squared plus 2a minus 2, and that must be equal to 0. I have all together is 5 times 8, which is 40, minus 5 times 4 times 4, which is 16, minus 16, minus 2, this is minus 20, this is 22, no? 22. 22 is going to be equal to minus 2a, therefore a is minus 11. And that's the first one, yeah? Then find all the factors of fx. So what we are going to do is to divide this polynomial by the factor that we know. We will have a quadratic, and then we factorize the quadratic. So we are going to divide by x minus 2 because we know it's going to be a factor. Yeah, so we have 5x cubed minus 4x squared plus a, we know now is minus 11, x minus 2, and we divide. So 5x cubed divided by x is 5x squared. When I multiply, I have 5x cubed minus, I'm multiplying just this by this, minus 10x squared, minus 10x squared. I subtract, these two are gone, and I have minus 4 minus minus 10 is 6x squared. And then I divide. So 6x squared divided by x is plus 6x. 6x times x is 6x squared. 6x times 2 is minus 12x. And again, I subtract. 6x squared minus 6x squared are gone, and minus 11 minus minus 12 is 1x. Then x divided by x is 1. I have x minus 2. And when I subtract, they are gone. This one with this one, this one with this one. And the remainder is 0, as it should be because it's a factor. So what we have is our function fx can be written so far as the first factor that we know and this quadratic. And now we are going to factorize this quadratic, and we know how to factorize quadratics very quickly. So we have to find two numbers together that multiplied give me 5, which are going to be, and added together give me 6, and that's those are going to be 5 and 1, right? So 5 and 1. So I'm going to write 5x squared plus 6x plus 1 as 5x squared plus 5x plus 1x plus 1. Yeah, so we say the numbers are 5 and 1. So what we do is to split this 6x into 5 and 1x. And now we are going to factorize. So the first part, these two, we are going to factorize them, and these two, we are going to factorize them. So I have 5x. I'm going to do below. This is going to be 5x x plus 1 and x plus 1. I cannot factorize more than that. And again, I factorize these two. So I have 5x plus 1. So I make these two factors together, and then 5x plus 1. So all multiplied by x plus 1. Yeah? Which means our function, if we come back here, our function is going to be x minus 2 times the two factors that we found for the quadratic. 5x plus 1, x plus 1. Yeah, this goes here. And I would do this with the calculator to not make mistakes, but still I will write the working out. Yeah, and that's how we factorize that completely that cubic.